Okay, when you go to create a CECO account, it can be a little bit difficult. It's not the easiest account to register for. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in all your information, your username, which is your email address, create a password. And then when you go over here to United States of America, put in California, county is Fresno, it's going to come up with this. What is your workforce registry number? So what you have to do is click here, don't have a workforce registry number, go there. And now you're going to have to go click through and create a registry over here. So there actually is a how to create a registry profile video, which you don't need, but you are going to I already have one, obviously, so I can log in here, and it's going to give me, I know I need to do that. It's going to give me a workforce registry number. So where does it come up? Click below to update your information or go to another area of the workforce. So my registry ID number is right there. Don't use that one. So you can you would get your registry ID number through here. Once you get it, you can go back over here, put in your workforce registry number. I am a student, or if you're working with children, you can do that. And then what is your language? And then you're going to submit it. You're going to get an email, I believe, that you would need to verify that you did do this. And then you will have an account on CECO.